I'm sure you've heard the news. The Voco Hotel Makkah is where comfort meets convenience for pilgrims. Located strategically near the Holy Mosque, Voco Hotel Makkah offers you a prime spot to experience the spiritual journey of a lifetime. Picture this: modern, comfortable rooms with premium bedding, free Wi-Fi and flat-screen TVs. After a fulfilling day, unwind in the serene atmosphere. Hungry? Enjoy a variety of cuisines at the on-site restaurant, offering both international and traditional Saudi dishes. Need to stay fit? Then their fitness center has you covered. And with their 24-hour room service, your needs are just a call away. But what truly sets them apart is their warm hospitality. The staff at Voco Hotel Makkah are dedicated to making your stay as comfortable and memorable as possible. Experience the perfect blend of contemporary style and heartfelt service. Make Voco Hotel Makkah your home away from home during your pilgrimage. Visit their website for more details and book your stay today.